The Cheonggyecheon stream is a vital part of Seoul's history and ecology. For centuries, it flowed through the heart of the city. It provided water and life to the people. Sadly, as Seoul grew, the stream suffered. By the mid-20th century, the Cheonggyecheon was in a dire state. Pollution and neglect had taken their toll. The once vibrant waterway had become a hidden scar on the city's landscape. The restoration of the Cheonggyecheon was not just about bringing back a river, it was about healing a city. Before its restoration, the Cheonggyecheon was a far cry from the lively waterway it once was. The stream was covered with concrete. It had become an elevated highway. This choked the waterway and hid it from view. The consequences were severe. Air pollution worsened in the city centre. The lack of green space made the area hotter and less pleasant. The once thriving ecosystem was gone, replaced by concrete and exhaust fumes. The hidden stream was a symbol of rapid urbanization and its cost. The restoration of the Cheonggyecheon was a massive undertaking. It began with a bold decision to remove the elevated highway. This was a complex engineering feat. It also required careful planning to manage traffic disruption in the busy city. Once the highway was gone, the real work began. Over 400,000 tons of concrete were removed. The streambed was carefully restored to its natural state. Water was pumped in from the Han River, bringing the Cheonggyecheon back to life. The project also involved extensive landscaping. Over 200,000 trees and plants were introduced, turning the concrete channel into a green corridor. Section 4. Oasis in the city, the benefits of Cheonggyecheon's revival. The restoration of the Cheonggyecheon stream has brought a wealth of benefits to Seoul. The most immediate change was environmental. Air quality in the area improved significantly. The stream and its surrounding greenery helped to lower the temperature, creating a welcome respite from the urban heat island effect. The project also had a profound social impact. The restored stream became a popular gathering place for residents and tourists alike. It provided a much-needed green space in the heart of the city, offering a place for relaxation and recreation. The Cheonggyecheon also became a symbol of Seoul's commitment to sustainability and urban renewal. Section 5. A global inspiration, Cheonggyecheon's legacy. The Cheonggyecheon stream's restoration is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and determination. It stands as a shining example of how a city can be transformed by reconnecting with nature. The project has earned international acclaim and inspired similar efforts in cities around the world. The Cheonggyecheon story reminds us that we have the power to undo past environmental damage and create a better future for our cities and ourselves. Let us be inspired by Seoul's example and work to restore our own urban waterways, bringing life, beauty and sustainability back to our concrete jungles.